Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, giving you your latest landscape quick tip and also a quick reminder that fall is the best time of year to install landscapes and plants. So I'm here at Deanna's place in Richardson, and this is a mix of landscape that we installed about 5 years ago, and then we've gradually added in some more plants as we've gone along. You can see the abelia over here on the right hand side is more mature. We've used giant liriope. That's this plant here. Uh, this is purple heuchera, and that's become a really good plant for us to use. It's also called coral bell. It'll have a nice pink bloom on it. We've used variegated sedge. That's the cream colored plant. And then back behind it, in front of the windows, is plum yew. We use that quite a bit in our shaded landscapes. In front, we have a mix of some more established dwarf Mexican petunia, and then we added in some extras here. And in the back, that is purple oxalis. The thing you have to be careful of with the oxalis and also a little bit with the dwarf Mexican petunia is these are spreaders. They're not aggressive, but when you put them in, these are going to be in your landscape for a long time. That said, they're very healthy plants, and they're just a very consistent bloomer. And then in front, these we just recently planted these perennial dianthus, and these you can see the nice pink blooms on them. And then in the background here, you can see a more mature oak leaf hydrangea. That's the blooming plant. More of the plum yew, and just what we're doing is trying to balance out what we have on each side of the home. So in the back area here, we have, these are compact nandinas. You can see these are now pretty mature. These are 5 years old. That's the feathery plant, and then next to that is Turk's cap. This will, you can see a little bloom on it. See the red bloom. This will become filled with red blooms not too long from now. In the corner we have little gem magnolia, and again compact nandinas. The kind of spiky plants that you're seeing, these are abelias. And you can see they have some nice pink blooms on them that'll bloom some more as time goes on. And this is a more natural look for these. You can trim them if you like, and you can do what we call pick pruning, just pruning off some of the taller limbs. In the back is another little gem magnolia. This one is 5 years old, so you can see it's getting it's not mature height by any means, but it is getting larger. We have, these are dwarf Mexican petunias. These we just put in recently, and you can see they're blooming nicely. Those are going to spread out, and those are great summer plants. The hotter it is, the drier it is, the happier those are. And then in the back, this is an oak leaf hydrangea, and you can see that it's been blooming. And the nice thing about this plant is it's the most drought tolerant hydrangea we have. It's a great plant in the Dallas area. This is not quite its mature height, but it is pretty tall. And in the fall, it's going to have a red tinge to the leaves. So it's a great plant. And then we've got the purple is purple oxalis. And you can see that it's got the pink blooms to it, and then in the background, these we just recently planted, and then the giant liriope. So this is a tour of a landscape that we installed about 5 years ago. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.